Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of my November 2018 Play by Sephora box. Not sure how I feel about the new Play bags. Kind of reminds me of Cookie Corner packaging. Okay, so I didn't read my email spoiler, didn't look into the app, so it's a total surprise. First up is this Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, which I actually already own and use, but it's nice to have a travel version or something I can use as a backup when I need to purchase another one. Oh, there's also a Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste, and it looks like this is for volume and thickness to fine hair, which is kind of disappointing because I would prefer not to get any hair products in my Play box. It's kind of interesting. It kind of looks like brown sugar or mud. It feels grainy like brown sugar as well. Well, I guess I'll have to try that out and see how it goes. I also got the Philosophy Purity 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. Oh, it's sealed. Well, this is interesting. Lancome Gel Cream or Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream Gel. Like this. Has kind of a ivory soap scent to it. That feels nice. I got a cream lip stain from the Sephora collection. This is in the shade 40 Pink Tea. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, it's really cute. That's nice. That's something that I would wear. Perfume sample is by a brand called Commodity Gold. Let's see. Keynotes are Molten Amber, Benzoin, and Vanilla. Not really my kind of scent. I do prefer more fresh scents, so might have to give this away. And that's it. Not my most favorite box, but I do think that I will enjoy using the Lancome cream, the Sephora lip stain, and the Laura Mercier powder. I already have a bunch of cleansers that I use in my my 10-step Korean skincare routine. But we'll see how this goes, and we'll see how the hair product works out as well. But not bad for $10 a month. I'll be back soon with another haul video. Until then, see you later. Thanks. Bye.